lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. You know what happened? I want to make you some Jamaican ackee and I'm gonna serve it with some fried dumpling. I'm gonna cook up the ackee and show you how you can do it. Anyway, I have some ackee right here. I'm just draining my ackee, and as I said, you can go to any local shop, supermarket, buy yourself some ackee. You can get the fresh ackee with even better and use it. But I'm draining my ackee at the moment. I'm going to be using the Jamaica Valley vegetable vegan season. That's gonna bring off a lovely flavor towards it also. First thing, I'm just gonna use a medium-sized pot, alright, because the pot will be a little bit more better when you fry off all of your vegetables. That's the oil doesn't sprinkle all over the kitchen and mess up your kitchen. Olive oil or vegetable oil, coconut oil, doesn't matter. I'm gonna pop 2 tablespoons of the oil inside of it like this. Nice one. Second thing what we're going to do is gonna get a medium-sized white onion, and I'm gonna just use half of the white onion. Alright? So that's going to be very easy one for some of the fans who want to do this at home. So once you cut up your vegetable like what I'm doing right here, straight in the frying pan. We got some mixed peppers here. We got the red. I'm just gonna be using the red. I don't have any green pepper, but that's fine. We still can carry on. Make sure you cut up the vegetable very small, not too chunky. I'm gonna use a piece of the yellow pepper. Really nice and lovely, simple recipe where you guys can make at home. 1 clove of garlic. And all I'm going to do is cut up the garlic really finely. I love garlic. So we just want the vegetable to cook out before we add the ackee. Medium-sized tomato. And this smell really nice. Spring onion, make sure you wash off your vegetables, very important. Cut them up really finely. Nice one. We got some fresh thyme. We're gonna put some fresh thyme straight in it like that. Give it a lovely start. So nice. Far, so what we're going to do, we're just gonna put a pinch of the vegan season inside of it like this. Not too much. Jamaican Valley season, you know? The best in the world. A bit of pepper. Little bit of basil or mixed herb, whatever you have. That's bringing a lot of flavor to it. I love my herbs. Remember, we're not using any saltfish in this. Looking good. Nice one. So what we're going to do now, I'm not going to be using all of my ackee. I'm going to be using roughly about half of the ackee. Alright? Yep. Yeah, half of the ackee I'm been using. Stir. Cover it and allow that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Sorry guys, I got the Jamaican Scotland pepper. It's a must. I have to put that inside of it. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. Nice and lovely. So let's take a good look here. Look at this. This looking so lovely. What we're going to do is shear it out. Turn off my stove. We're gonna shear it out. Nice one. So right here I got 2 fried dumplings, and remember guys, I have a lot of video on my YouTube channel show you how to make fried dumpling. I will be updating my fried dumpling recipe very soonly, but I'm just gonna show you this is a lovely recipe you can do at home. All right, so ackee with fried dumpling, amazing recipe. Not only that, we're using the Jamaican Valley season, so that's bringing a lovely flavor to it. Look at that. That is lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming for you guys. As you can see, this is from Chef Ricardo, and honestly it's an amazing recipe. Fried dumpling with ackee. I'll be using the Jamaican Valley season. It is an amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming for you guys. We love you all, and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important guys. As you can see, look at that wicked recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Fried dumpling with ackee. See you next time. Bye bye.